Krypton, the hidden technology. Krypton technology has developed a method of producing graphics that display information on two levels, where the first is seen in the visual spectrum, while the other in the infrared spectrum. These graphic images represent properties of substance in the wavelengths region of the electromagnetic spectrum from 400 to 1000 nanometers. These images can be of paintings and secured documents, or on cloth, such as uniforms. With this technology, and through developed software, it will be possible to quantitatively determine the difference between each pictorial element. The Krypton technology technique of protection is implemented for detection in a range of 450 to 1000 nanometers. This figure shows an example where the image of an old town is concealed in a printed image of horsemen using the infrared IR method with three filters of 570, 715 and 1000 nanometers. In this example, one printed image carries a two-image display of information. While the original image is visible to the human eye, the other is only seen in the infrared range of the spectrum. Print with Krypton technology effect shown on the visible part of the spectrum. RGB and the image of the old town invisible to human eyes with three filters: 570 nanometers, 715 nanometers, and 1000 nanometers. Practical applications. Krypton technology has many practical applications and methods of implementation. It brings a completely different approach to looking at color and dyes, processing of digital images and their final reproduction. All of today's advanced methods of algorithmic creation of color structures for reproduction are directed to the area of human vision. Methods such as color separation for printing, CMYK and RGB printing processes, and multicolor separation algorithms are intended for improving image quality in printing technology with different kinds of inks. Unlike many others, this method is completely non-destructive and, for example, when compared to those used in the study of manuscripts and prints, has improved value in addition to speed of detection and simplicity of use. Graphic view of the electromagnetic spectrum and the ranges of interest. Cross-section of classification of IR sources, IR filters, and CCD sensors. Krypton, the hidden technology. Krypton is not just a simple software, it is a complete system. Krypton is a combination of tools capable of displaying the hidden image under the main one. The software displays the hidden image using the Krypton algorithms. Then it is possible to obtain the final image thanks to the combination of the special Krypton printer and Krypton toner. This file is created with a series of algorithms that recalculate the angle of the printing and the refraction of light. The final print of the Krypton image is performed by the Krypton printer that elaborates the algorithms generated and sends them to the special Krypton toner. This printing toner is specially designed to maintain the correct separation of the colors during the printing phase in order to make it possible to define the hidden image. Only the synergistic combination of the whole system can generate the Krypton image. Here is a descriptive flowchart. Krypton equipment. In order to complete the Krypton's printing process, a Krypton printer with its unique Krypton toner is needed. As shown in the flowchart, in order to obtain the hidden image in the final stages, there has to be communication between the security printer and the security toner. Krypton security printer will decodify the algorithms derived from the encrypted file by use of special electronic equipment. The user's fingerprint is needed in order to verify and authorize the printing of the file. In order to have triple security confirmation before printing, the special Krypton toner is needed. This printing toner is specially designed to maintain the correct separation of the colors during the printing phase, in order to make it possible to define the hidden image. In addition, The printing process is only possible if the microchip inside the toner packaging is not tampered with at all. Krypton military applications. The Krypton technology can also be used for military applications, such as inserting some hidden security information on personnel uniforms. Thanks to this technology, it will be possible to distinguish immediately any imposters from authentic military personnel, thereby helping to avoid nasty surprises and safeguarding human lives. In the unauthorized reproduction of uniforms, the hidden security information is not displayed, therefore allowing immediate recognition of any imposters using unauthorized tools and equipment. For example, with the high rate of criminal activity, it is possible for imposters to mount a roadblock, with some of them dressed in military uniform, seeking to inspect vehicles. Krypton tools immediately identify the fake military uniforms and provide the would-be victim with a chance of escape from a dangerous situation. Krypton tools. To avoid the hidden image created with the Krypton technology, we have developed different military tools, while our research and development (R&D) is continuous, so that we are constantly producing new solutions. Here are some examples. Krypton desk detector, Krypton mobile detector, Krypton tablet detector, Krypton Torch Pro. The Krypton Torch Pro is the latest generation of the infrared illuminators. A clean, smooth, and focusable beam of infrared light is emitted from its high-power light-emitting diodes, LEDs. Seamless mechanical focus allows adjustment between 1 and 10 degrees, offering area or point illumination at distances in excess of 700 meters. Encased in a highly resistant aluminium housing, the Krypton Torch Pro's virtually indestructible LED provides the user with the infrared illumination in the market. A German-made impact-resistant glass lens system produces a crisp beam, while the smooth focus ring allows for easy one-hand operation. The wide floodlight allows for area illumination at close distances, while the tight spotlight aids in identification of targets at long range. Krypton IR Laser Illuminator. The Krypton IR Laser Illuminator uses a high-power infrared light-emitting diode, LED, that meets laser safety standards of Class 3B IEC 60825-1 with a 1,500-meter illuminating range and a 10-kilometer aiming range. With power consumption of up to 3 watts, an adjustable projection angle ranging from 1 to 20 degrees, this laser illuminator can work with all kinds of night vision devices, night vision cameras, and infrared sensitive recording devices. As a key value addition, the Krypton IR Laser Illuminator features an invisible red dot in order to avoid exposure of the user's location. The Krypton IR Laser Illuminator has the ability to transform the projection of light into an evenly round shape and to minimize the spotlight by using it with an infrared filter. The focusing mode can be easily used to destroy the enemy's night vision devices. Krypton under development. Krypton contact lens detector. One of the systems that we are developing is a contact lens that incorporates the Krypton technology. Thanks to the special construction techniques based on layers of graphene, this lens can capture everything from visible light to infrared. Graphene is developed from a single layer of carbon atoms and is bonded together in a repeating pattern of hexagons. It is much thinner than standard printing paper, at least 1 million times, and its flat honeycomb pattern allows it to utilize several unusual characteristics. Krypton contact lenses are better than current night vision devices because they are not nearly as bulky. They don't require cooling equipment, so that the heat detectors won't get confused by the heat radiation that they themselves emit. And they can do the same thing by using only a few layers of the atom-thick material. The Krypton contact lens is built according to Krypton system specification in order to filter the correct range of gamma needed to make vision of the hidden image possible. Krypton, no limit to security.